Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Ajmal and today I will be performing DLD lab number 8, which is based upon the arithmetic operator circuit, which includes half adder, half subtractors, full adders and full subtractors. So basically what we have to do in this lab is that we have already created our circuits of half adder and half subtractor, which are based on two type of architecture. One is using simple gates and one is using NAND gate architecture. So basically what we have to do, we have to verify the respective truth table for our pre-made circuits. So now on the screen, as you can see, we have our half adder circuit with using XOR gate and AND gate, and we have to verify the following given truth table. So first of all, we have inputs 0 and 0. Let's run the circuit for input 0. Our output is also 0. Then we have our circuit for the inputs 0 and 1. So let's run this circuit, make one of its output 0 1 and 0 1. Our first LED is working. That make is 1 0. So, and this LED is working. And now let's stop this and now again run this for double 1. So for both ones, our second LED is working according to this truth table. So as you can see, our truth table for half adder with simple gate has been proven. Now let us move toward half adder using NAND gate. Now basically it is also the circuit of simple half adder, but we have only changed the architecture, so we have to verify whether the same architecture, the different architecture can provide us with the same amount of accuracy. So first of all, we have 0 0. Now let's run for 0 0. For 0 0, no, none of the LED is working. Now for 0 1, for 0 1, our upper LED is working. Now for 1 0, our upper LED is working, which is according to truth table, and now for 1 1, our bottom LED is working. So the circuit for half adder using NAND gate has also been verified according to our truth table. Now let us move towards half adder with half subtractor with simple gate implementation. So here we have a circuit of our half subtractor using simple XOR gate and AND gate. So first of all, according to this table, we have 0 0. Now let's run. For 0 0, we have output 0. For 0 1, sorry, for 1 1, we have output 0 0, and for 0 and 0, for 0 0, sorry, error message, so we have run the circuit again. For 0 0, we have output 0 0. For 0 1, we have first LED working, and for 1 0, we have to again run the circuit. This is some simulation error. Now again this our upper LED is working for 0 1, and now let us run for 1 1. Stop this. Let's make this 1 and this 0. Use the value of the register. This value as well. Let us run for the part 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So it is running to 0 and 1. So our truth table has been verified. Now let us move towards the half subtractor using NAND gates. So this is half subtractor using NAND gates. So simply we will run for this is for 0 0. For 0 0, it should give us 0. For 1 1, it should also give us 0. And for 0 and 1, for 0 1, it should give us just 1 0. And now let us make this 1 and this, both of our LEDs are on. So the circuit for you with our The implementation of Haas subtractor with our NAND gate is working properly. Now let's move towards the next circuit. So for the next following circuits, we have full adder and full subtractor circuits. Now let us move towards full adder using simple gates. This is full adder using simple gates. So this upper one is for our carry bit, and the both bottom twos are A and B. So for everything 0 0 0, we should have 0 0 1 output. We have for everything 1 1 1, we have output double 1. Now let's make everything double 1, everything 0. So for everything 0, we have all the LEDs off. So now for 0 0 and 1, let's make this carry 1. So only our first one bit is on, so our S is 1. Now let us move towards 0 1 0. So 0 1 0, our this one is working. So now let us move towards 0 1 1. So 0, sorry, I was working opposite manner. So we have 0 0 and carry is 1. So we have 0 0 and carry is 1. So both of our 0 0 carry is 1. So our D1 LED is on, which means our S is on. So now let us move. Now let's make our carry 0 and our B input 1. B input 1 and our carry 0. So our S is lit. So S is lit. So we have carry 1 and B1 with A0. Carry 1 and B1 with A0. Similarly, we have C out 1. Now let us move towards A1 and other 2 bits 0. A1 and other 2 bits 0. For A1 other 2 bits, S is on. Now let's move toward 1 0 1, whichever is B is only 0 but all are 1. B is only 0, all are 1. So now our S is on. C out, which is carry out. So now our carry out is on. Now let's make A1 and B1 with C0. A1 B1. Now with A1 B1 with carry 0. So our C out LED is on. So now let's make all of our LEDs switch closed, so both our LEDs are on. So this was the circuit of full adder. We have verified the truth table of full adder with simple gate implementation with the XOR gate and gate. Now let us move to the circuit of simple full adder with NAND implementation. Now this is the full adder implementation with the NAND. 0 0 0 0 0. So basically both of our switches are 1 1 1 1 1. We have output 1 1. So now let's make them 0 0 0 0 0 0. Our all LEDs are off. Now make 0 0 1 0 0 1. So our S LED is on. Now 0 1 0 0 1 0. So again our S LED is on. Now let's move towards 0 1 1 0 1 and 1. Our D2 LED, which is C out, is on. Now let's move 1 0 0 1 0 0. Our S LED should be on. 1 0 0. Now 1 0 1. We have 1 0 1. Our S LED C out LED should be on. C out LED is on. Now we have 1 1 0 1 1 0. Our C out LEDs should be on. C out LED is on. Now we have as we already proved for triple 1. So our full adder circuit with NAND implementation is also being verified by using trust table. Now let us move towards our half subtractor circuits. Full subtractor circuits. This is full subtractor circuit with simple gate implementation using XOR gate and AND gates. So Basically, first of all, we will run for these top most and bottom most entities. So in the circuit, all the switches are closed between 1, 1 and 1. For 1, 1 and 1, all should be 1. So all LEDs are 1. So for 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0. So no further LEDs working. Okay. Now for 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and for 1. We have to change the values. So as you can see, none of our systems will go to some. So as you can see, this is some internal issue. So let us skip this part. We are writing error issues. Now we have 0, 1 and 0. A is 0, B is 1 and carry is again 0. For this part we have our this LED is on. Now let us move towards 0, 1, 1. This is 0, 1, 1. No, our LED is working. This is the stupid error. So our carry is 1, A is 1. So our A is 1. Our carry is also 1. So no, none of our LED is working. Okay. Now A1 and carry is 0. This carry is 0. So we have D1 LED, which is this LED is working. Now let's move towards B0 carry 1. This is also proven. Now we have B1 and carry 1 with A0. B1 A0 with carry 1. So we have our B out LED working. So this is how all of our shift table is implying that our circuits are working perfectly fine. Now let's move towards the full ladder with using NAND implementation. Full service NAND So this is a circuit of full subtractor with NAND implementation. All of our lines are 1, 1 and 1. So all of the output should be 1, 1. So let's run. Both of the LEDs are working. So 1, 1 and 0. Let's make our carry 0. So our LEDs are off. Now make B off and carry 1. B off and carry 1. We have all of our LEDs 0. Now let's make everything 0 and only A1. None of our LEDs is working. This is for A1, B1 and carry 0. For A1, B1 and carry 0, we have to make it for only A1. So for A1 only our LED is working. Now let's move towards B1 and carry 1. A is 0, B is 1 and carry is 1. Our second LED, which is for borrow out or output, is working. Now move towards carry 0 and B1. Similarly again this LED is working. Now let's move toward everything 0 and simple. Carry is 1. Both of our LEDs are working. Now for everything 0 and carry 1. Both of our LEDs working. Now everything 0. None of our LEDs should work. No. So none of our LEDs working. So this was the complete overview of my lab. of which was based on half adder, half subtractor, full adder, full subtractor based on simple gate implementation and NAND implementation, and I have explained that all of the circuits are satisfying the given truth table and are ready. So this is all from my side. Thank you for watching.